Hey guys, good morning. That's all of my recordings. So I just showed you how to get your drawing onto the side here. Originally I was going to have you place it down, but I realize now that there's some skills there that I haven't taught yet that are a little more advanced. If you feel comfortable with that and you know how to lock something down, you go right ahead. So speaking of which, I do still have that layer locked, but I have it locked off the canvas, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and do this one because I got a little ahead of myself. And you can see here in this layer, I have this blue box. Unlike Photoshop, I get a little lazy with my layers just because of the feature in Illustrator, which is called rubber band selection. I'm going to show you what that is. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just kind of, let's see here, I'm just going to go ahead and build some stuff. All right, and I'm going to do a triangle now. And I need three. Oh, three. Okay. Right, and I can just pretend that that's the right size right now and drop that down a little bit. Okay. Now, I could sit here and I could hold down select and I could copy that and I could paste it. But what happens is now what I want this to do, I want this to be its own shape. Okay. So what I'm going to go up to do is I'm going to turn on the Pathfinder tool. Okay. Actually, if you turn on the Align tool, window Align, okay, you'll get the Line tool over here, which we also need, but you also get the Pathfinder tool, the tab underneath that. These do all different things. They trim shapes, they merge shapes, they crop shapes, they divide, they minus the front, intersect, exclude, and the one we want is unite, okay? It creates compound shapes. So as long as I rubber band select both of these, now I could hold down shift to select both of them, but that's just a waste of our time in Illustrator. We want to left click and drag, all right, and select the shapes. Now, I did a little too much. I just want to do a little bit because I just want these two shapes, okay? I just want these two shapes. And this one, when you draw your line or your mouse over it, you hold it, you can see it only goes to that center part. So I'm just going to click and drag, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit Unite, okay? And now it is all one shape. I can copy and I can paste. It's a very great time saver, okay? So let's say I want to get these now. So that's the Pathfinder tool. You can play with the other tools on there. The newest version of Illustrator shows you what it will do beforehand, and that's how they make all those fancy logos, but we don't have that right now, and that's fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rubber band select these two, and I'm going to go to that Align. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the vertical align top. Now you can vertically align the bottoms, you can vertically align the centers, all right? And now I want to do well, I guess it doesn't really matter because they're symmetrical. But now I want to, oops, what I could do is I could actually rubber band select all of that and then choose the bottom, and then I know that they're mathematically perfect. At any time, I can choose up here my fill bucket color or my stroke color. If I wanted to put a, okay, and I can change the color by clicking on that, whatever I want, okay? And that's pretty much it. So now you guys just need to come with a plan and your ideas and problem solve.